Right, we're gonna do some baking. But I was following this guy's book. I dehydrated some of the starter. Yeah, making this one here. So I have made this. So I need to follow these instructions to then get this here. To reactivate the granules, put them in another jar, add an equal quantity of warm water, put the lid and shake well, then put in a jar somewhere warm. Here are my sourdough granules. I've got this cute little jar thing that I've got for doing sourdough, and I'm going to borrow it from her. Start with 100 grams. Yeah, 100 grams. And goes into my jar. Lid is on and shake. Now clear up. Right, next up, I'm going to make a few jam tarts with fresh fruit from the garden. We made raspberry jam from the garden. You can use that in some shortcrust pastry, so I'm going to film that better than I did last time, because that makes sense. Guide. Okay. Let's go big one. Big one. Easy. All good. Comes together. So nice. One needs to go. Put that in. Right, here's my chilled dough. Here's my rolling pin. Such a warm day. It's already needs your. Let's get those in the freezer. So here's some of the fruit that we picked from the garden, and then here's some jam we made with some of it as well. So we're just going to use some of that jam with the fruit in the front. So here's the tart. And it shrunk, so let's try not trim it afterwards again, even though I made a right mess when I did that last time. After it was picked. Okay, so it's cooled down now, so it's out of the oven. We're able to take it out of this by putting it on a bowl. Right, so I'm just going to add it to a plate. We've been picking a lot of raspberries. One of the things we like to do, rather than just jam them all, is to make some sorbet. This is a caterpillar. And having the larger base allows us to heat it a bit easier. So there's enough, and then this is the ratio I have. It's 270 grams of water, so 50, 60, 70, 270. I'm going to go and heat this gently. And then simmer it for 5 minutes to make a syrup. Whilst that's happening, I'm going to weigh out 500 grams of my raspberries. Use the best ones. I use our blender, but you can use a food processor or Similar, doesn't matter if there's a bit of water in it. And then our lovely fresh raspberries. So when this is gone, we're just going to prepare makes a difference. So what we'll do is put that bowl in that bowl. I'm just scraping the juice off the bottom. Syrup has cooled down enough now. So we add our syrup to the raspberries. Right. Give that a stir. So I just let you put in probably about just over a tablespoon. See that has churned nicely in there, and now we're going to put it in the tin. Furthest bit in the world. Get my ice cream off the spinning it. See, it's not quite firm. Come out nice and shiny. Here's one we made earlier, and you'll see it's soft. It looks amazing. Yum.